Sina målet här bäst. Världen där, inte reclamation. Säg rep on to bear. Inte bär. Sanna bomb, nerkast. Inte bindvine, inte little vines. Inte cinnamon, a guine time. Titta barn till skill för nacken. Backa, slimta, backa skum, Integration down and down. Be a Honda Gappy. Inte han ger oss till värld. Inte get. Integration. Integrate compounding wow. Vänd på hav. Inte skatten mycket. Inte det händer. Det haskint alla hand. Inte det händer. Här har färska handfisk. Och ska ha just en havris. Haskintoftan. Skogskar. Ja. No, it's not. It's not an energy mechanics. It's actually the basically energy sort of thing, just there the so-called intensity type looking things like that. And the temperature in my room is also increasing quite rapidly. Be it from the light outside or the ambient energy. That always happens when this goes on. But I can feel the currents, little rivers of energy moving almost haphazardly as I pick them up, put them into a stream, and then forget about them, so they go flying some places, intertwine with things, and make a wild interrogation of everything in that room. Ugh, skeet.